angle at 47 degrees. Snowpack depth 3 carats high.
Morning, Bear. Don't you worry. We'll have you up and about in no time. Just as soon as I solve this seasonal delay. It's gone! The rumble is gone! I didn't drop a single acorn all night! This is wonderful! You can actually hear the melodies. No more bass note interruption. It's a miracle!
Too quiet. Woke up 3 times thinking a mountain had fallen over. Unnatural, if you ask me.
It is unusual, but perhaps it's for the best. A more peaceful forest. Now, about this snow.
Come on, everybody! Let's shake a tail feather! It's a silent celebration!
And they say, little one, that the bear's rumble is the forest's own heartbeat. And they say, little one, that the bear's rumble is the forest's own heartbeat.
Time for a little reorganization. Culinary stimulation.
Ineffective. Phase 2, nasal agitation.
All right! Phase 3, kinesthetic resonance.
The bear's rumble is the forest's own heartbeat. Everyone, listen! We have to make him snore! It's an emergency!
On my count, 1, 2, 3!
You're not just silent, are you? You're afraid. I can't fix it with soup, but maybe I can give you a better dream. Dream of the sun, the sweet.
Well, hello, Rabbit. I had the most wonderful dream.